You start your day kind of dictates how your body's going to feel. You know how productive you're going to be, and just also how your mental state will be. So I'm going to show you something that you can do for your body that's going to really get you going on a good foot and have you feeling pain free. Okay, super simple. Only thing you're going to need is your pain free me Myo roller. All right, so this is going to be a quick, simple routine that you can do to start your morning and have you feeling pain free. Okay, so I want all you guys grab your rollers and we're going to head down to the mat. Okay, so when you see what I'm doing, I'm actually having the Myo roller. I have it horizontal. I'm actually going to have a seat on it. Okay, a lot of us got those tight, sticky hips, and I'm going to show you how to unlock it. So we're going to start with our left leg. Your left leg crosses over. And what you're going to do, this is going to help to open up the glute. So you're going to go ahead and roll on there. And I swear it's going to feel like a lumpy, bumpy road because the glutes are filled with knots. So I want you to just go ahead and just go over this, because the key to having a nice pain-free morning, especially if you know you're going to be sitting all day, is to unlock those glutes, okay? So just go over the glutes for about 1 minute. You see me going at different angles, finding little hyperactive knots and tender areas kind of going on there. I got a lot of them. So I was doing some squats the other day. So there's a lot going on in there. Okay. So after I did that for 1 minute, I'm just going to go to the other side. Again, this side, I don't feel like crossing my legs. So let's just have it elongated and doing that same action. This time we're going to kind of be twisting our body, our upper body. Again, just finding those hyperactive areas. Again, this is good for someone who does a lot of heavy squats. This is how you're able to improve your squat depth so you can actually lift a little bit heavier. So this is a nice tip to all my CrossFit athletes out there, power lifters. This is how you're able to lift heavier and pain-free. Okay, there we go. Perfect. All right. So I feel a lot of circulation going down to my quads. So now one thing I want to do, I want to roll my quads. So basically, like I said, this morning routine is getting you ready for either if you're going to the gym first thing in the morning or you're going to be sitting all day. We're going to work on the quads. So I'm going to place the Myo roller. Again, we're going to place it horizontal. I'm going to put it right above the knee. And then I'm just going to roll up to my hip flexor and on down. Okay. Actually, I'll show you from this way so you can see how I'm placing the opposite knee. So there we go. Now I'm just rolling. This knee helps to kind of stabilize the pelvis. I'm just rolling up and down. And the quad is a very sensitive area. Oh my God, yes it is. So let's go ahead and just roll it on out. Again, this is the perfect routine for anybody who's getting into the gym early, going to be doing some squats, or going to be sitting for long periods of time. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to show you from the other angle. Okay, I'm down here on the quad. And just rolling. I can even, if I find the area that's super tight, I can go from side to side. This is going to help to release the fascia surrounding the muscle. Again, this is one of the secrets to lifting heavier, squatting heavier, and releasing those hips so you can be pain-free while at work or in the gym. Okay, perfect. All right. So that quick routine, I would definitely recommend to start your, wow, that felt good sitting down, to start your morning out with. Again, you're going to grab your Myo rollers, you're going to roll your glutes, and you're going to roll your quads. Okay, the secret to squatting deeper so you can get even lift heavier. And this is the secret to keeping those hips unlocked if you're going to be sitting for long periods of time. All right. And I also want to invite you guys to, on September 20th, to my class, Pain-Free Bodies. I'm going to show you some really cool things that you can do with your Myo roller that's going to help you to alleviate pain. You'll be able to lift a lot heavier. And most importantly, you're going to be pain-free. because, now's the time we got to take care of our bodies. We're not getting any younger, and things, they may start, not working how they should, and lots of snap, crackle, and pops. And this is the thing, you can't ignore it. Once you start ignoring it, you're going to end up like grandma, grandpa, mama, and daddy, and they're going to be complaining all day, talking about this hurt, that hurt, oh, my back hurts, and we don't want that, okay? We're a generation that has the information out there, and we have a lot of people like myself, giving you some really great tips on how to take care of yourself. So we know we need to take care of ourselves more so now than ever. So come do it with me. Join me September 20th from 1 to 2. It'll be a great time. It's going to be actually right here at Key Small, where my studio is, just right upstairs. And if you're interested in the class, I want you to go ahead and drop pain-free in the comments, and I will see you then. All right, everyone, this is everyone's favorite health coach, Mike Jones, signing out. I want you all to have a pain-free day. Until next time.